Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your LEDGER Stax. To do it, go to settings in bottom left corner. Now go to the right and select reset. You can either uninstall all apps or reset this ledger. I'm gonna reset it. And keep your secret recovery phrase handy to recover access to your wallet, of course. That's pretty important. And enter your current PIN. Approve it. Now it'll start resetting. And it's reset. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.